Hello, and welcome back to the ALJ series of the ACMS training videos. In this video, we'll cover some options for completing a hearing that do not follow the happy path shown in the previous video. We've seen how to navigate to an appeal in previous videos, so we'll start here on the main appeal screen for this video. First, let's navigate to the hearing object using the Hearing tab. You'll notice that this hearing is already in progress, so we'll pick up from there. Previously, we selected Heard Closed Record. Previously, we chose Heard Closed Record. Other options include Heard Open Record and Continued. When Heard Open Record is selected, the system will prompt you for additional information. The submission due date is the date by which you expect to receive all documents. The response due date is the last day that the respondent has to submit a response to those documents. The time waiver field will allow you to specify the number of days to delay the appeal's due date or projected adopt date. The Heard Open Reason drop-down is a general categorization of the reason for keeping the record open. And finally, the Open Reason text box. As indicated above the text box in red text, any information included in the Open Reason text box will be added to the open record letter that is sent to the claimant and the authorized representative. As such, you will want to be mindful of the content and grammar when entering text into this box. Once all of that information has been entered, clicking Save will transition the hearing into an Heard Open Record status. From there, the ACMS system takes over. From there, the ACMS system itself takes over for the duration specified in the submission and response due date fields. Once the submission date has expired, the system will prompt the user via a task to indicate whether or not documents were received during the submission window. If you indicate documents were in fact received, the system will automatically allow the response due date window to expire. If you indicated that no documents were received, the record closes and the Decision tab becomes available for you to upload your decision. If documents are submitted, the party that needs to respond to them will automatically be notified. The other option we'll cover in this video is Continued Hearing. Selecting Continued from the Action dropdown will cause the system to prompt for additional information. In this case, it asks for the continued hearing date and time and the hearing location. If this is to be a phone hearing, the hearing location can be left blank. The continuance reason is entered so that there can be the continuance reason, unlike the open record reason, does not currently populate onto the continuance letter. Once all fields are completed, clicking Save will cause the system to generate a manual scheduling task with the details provided. This can be either completed by a scheduler user, or in the future, the judge will be able to set the hearing themselves and generate the hearing notice. A continued hearing operates the same as a normal hearing. In the next video, we'll look at uploading a written decision.